Now another type of FM generation using slop discriminator. Here in FM discriminator, the process by which the frequency discriminates, what amount of frequency discriminate is converted to the variation of amplitude. This is the basics of frequency discriminator method. Here is the basic block diagram, and FM wave is connected to slop circuit. Then slop circuit is connected to the envelope detector, and then there is a adder, and then we get the detected signal. This is the basic principle. The main funda of this type of FM detection is that the discrimination of frequency is converted to the discrimination of amplitude, so that we get back the unmodulated or the modulating waveform or the message signal. Now, another important part is the limiter. What is the limiter? Limiter, take an example of limiter. If noise or other interference perturbs the amplitude of the carrier, then the carrier amplitude variation will cause the distortion at the output. Mainly, the carrier carry the message signal. If there is a distortion, so message is contaminated. This distortion can be removed by passing through a limiter prior to the differentiator. The limiter output must be converted to a sinusoid by passing it through a bandpass filter with center frequency and sufficient bandwidth. Next topic is that noise in FM signal. Generally, noise in the FM is minimum. Mainly, noise is essentially amplitude variation. An FM signal carry information in terms of frequency. Amplitude is constant, so noise is minimum. FM receiver contain limiter circuit, it restricts the amplitude of the received signal. Any amplitude variation occurring on FM signal are effectively clipped up. This does not hurt the information content of the FM signal. Because of the clipping action of limiter circuit, the noise is almost completely eliminated. FM is more noise immune than the AM signal. Another is the interference. A major benefit of FM is that interference signal on the same frequency will be effectively rejected. If the signal of one or more than twice the amplitude of the other, the stronger signal will capture and the channel will totally eliminate the weaker interfering signal. This is known as the capture effect in FM. In FM, capture effect allows the stronger signal to dominate while the weaker signal is eliminated. However, the strength of the two FM signals begin to be nearly the same, and the capture effect may cause the signal to alternate in their domination of frequency. So these are the two basic advantages. One is the noise immune, another is the less interference. Now, another important topic is the pre-emphasis and de-emphasis in FM. This will be discussed in my next lecture. Thank you.